The Texas Medical Center is the largest medical center on planet Earth. You can take the second largest and the third largest, combine them, they still don't touch the Texas Medical Center.
What we have in our TMCX is this backdrop of the largest construct of patients, physicians, students anywhere in the world. And what better place than the Texas Medical Center to really validate new technologies?
So we got X5, our medical device accelerator class. Whether or not you're a company that's only been out of the gate for 6 months and raised a couple $100,000, or you've been around for 6 years and you've raised $20 million, every single one of those companies gets something out of the program.
Being a part of the TMCX cohort is a key to the medical center. The access that we're given to these world-renowned facilities and hospitals, the peer network and the advising network, it's just an opportunity that cannot be replicated anywhere else but here.
Just in the last week, we've met with physicians at Houston Methodist, at Texas Children's, MD Anderson. That validation that we are a company that was vetted by TMCX has opened the doors.
You have a community that can come in and guide you in any niche area.
They told us the insider look, those kind of minutiae that you don't get out of business school.
A lot of the things that took us years to figure out, either on our own or with consultants, I could have gotten 90% of the way by going through this program.
The first 3-week boot camp is really educational, especially if you're not from a medical background.
This is usually a luxury for people who are outside the healthcare system. Like, we are engineers, we don't have connections to physician networks.
As soon as you have a prototype and you want to get physician feedback on this, TMC is the perfect place to be.
Advisors, clinicians, folks who can mentor us through the whole process from very early stage to later stage.
The level of expertise in terms of developing medical devices is unparalleled.
I've met with AT&T with their mobile solutions. We've also been using the J&J facilities for rapid prototyping.
When you can just walk to a high density of critical care hospitals, it really makes a difference in how you get to talk to clients and get feedback on your device.
The connections with the medical center and the collaborations that we are beginning to form are going to be not just transformative for us at this moment, but will be taking us through the entire path to commercialization.
As I get to know people in Texas, it's the can-do attitude, right? People in Texas get things done.
As a startup, you face challenge every day. I'm very appreciated that I don't feel alone here.
I'm immersed in an environment where you have kindred spirits. All the other companies share this passion for innovation, for making a difference, for growing things.
It's just fun. It's fun being around other startups.
As a cohort, we're all really developing and improving each other.
You can ask anyone in the group, and they've got ideas, they've got previous experience in research and different technologies that we may not have the background in.
So it brings about the best in a company. That's where this ecosystem plays a critical role.
It's a community, and it's friendships that I think we're gonna take forward the rest of our lives.
TMC is a young ecosystem, and even in the time I've been here, we're starting to see some of those early success stories.
We've got to get products out on the market. We've got to advance science, and an ecosystem like this is the right place to get that innovation started.
To see these resources and this commitment right next to the largest collection of doctors on the planet, TMCX is gonna produce some incredible things.
You can satisfy these surgeons, these oncologists, or these radiologists. You can go anywhere in the world with your product.
If we're successful and if they're successful, products get out there on the market that can save lives.